when you have already been too tired walking. Well, the lazy ones always make its life much easier. Someone will tell them that this place is pup. Don't ever try to go downstairs this way. Only cats liquid. Nothing is left on the floor after the
Comme ça? Comme ça?
If there is a competition to find the one lying longest, he's... Cat still has 8 lives more, so don't worry, pal. Boy must be having a delicious dream right now. Me every time lying on the sofa and then want to get something. Come on, that chair is especially designed for your owner, buddy.
High five, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five. This is the laziest five.
Forget to buy a paperweight? Don't worry, there is something else you can use. Whatever you want when this whole world is already your home. Black Cat acts so indifferently, maybe because he's our... If this situation continues, you won't have a chance of getting... Can you suggest a way to move him in the comment? The house has no escalator, so... Oh God, where am I? Oh. Oh, come on. We just walked yesterday. Literally every child when their parents wake them up for school.
Наш кот настолько стал ленивый.
The funny thing is, dude doesn't... Cat seems to pretty enjoy its adventure along the house. Man must have been in military, cause that's truly what... So you'll know, at this point, even a cat's instinct can't make this boy spend more. Bro, how about the exercise schedule you plan for?
אפשר להיכנס איתך?
Little kid is gonna have a wild trip and... You know what? The lazy ones don't deserve any dollar, though.
Look at this guy here. He's just...
It's lucky for the robot to live with lazy cats. by any means shouldn't happen when they're lying. Well, that's theory at least.
See the TV?
Is he asleep?
He's sleeping.
I think you should call them back. A game which he needs to just use one. Oh, come on. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see.
Ozzy, what are you doing? Why are you laying on it?
Bought an anti-hunch bowl for my cat, but she won't sit to eat. When you're 30, but still can't escape babysitting the kid your relatives seems like even throwing a whole bag.
Εγώ ρε παιδί μου σηκώνομαι πάντα πρωί-πρωί, δηλαδή δεν αφήνω ποτέ να πάει 2 ώρες.
When you're not much help, just pretend to be the supervisor and give.
Why don't you move?
Not sure if this girl is raising a koala bear or a loving whole cat. What a deal! Buy a vacuum cleaner and get a
Chi-Chi. 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 Chi-Chi.
Que puedes leerme el pensamiento, hijo. Miau, 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 miau.
It seems cat massage services are getting more popular as cats.
I have decided I no longer want to improve myself. I am a beautiful disaster, and I.
Huh? Huh? Hello?
Here comes the classic pose of a TV addict taking a.
Are you comfy?
Looking at this